Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Twoguysfinance's business investment services. Alright, if you've been wondering how to do that, this video is going to help you out with that. It's going to be a really quick one. I'm just going to give you guys a couple of step-by-step guides on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Twoguysfinance account. You can choose to log in on the online banking platform, that's the website, or you can choose to do so on the mobile app. Now, once you're logged into your account, you're just going to select the business investment account that you want to manage. And once you have it open, you can review your account balance and investment portfolios. You can also use the Twoguysfinance business investment service to manage your business investments. You can review and update your account information whenever you need to do that. And you can also use Twoguysfinance to track your business investment activities. If you have any issues at any point in time, you can contact Twoguysfinance customer service, and they're going to help you to resolve those concerns as well as to answer those questions. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Twoguysfinance's business investment services. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.